President Donald Trump held a White House ceremony to present a new Mexican Border Defense Medal to service members stationed along the southern border. The event highlighted the administration's continued focus on immigration enforcement and border security. Federal authorities arrested individuals in California for an alleged plan to place explosive devices across the Los Angeles area on New Year's Eve. The FBI confirmed the plot was stopped before any functional bombs were completed. A delayed November U.S. jobs report is scheduled for release today after being postponed by a 43-day government shutdown. The report is expected to show a cooling labor market and may influence current debates in Washington on economic policy and interest rates. All three major U.S. stock indexes closed lower on Monday. Losses were driven by sharp declines in major artificial intelligence companies, including Broadcom, ServiceNow, Oracle, and Microsoft, as investors shifted toward healthcare and utility stocks. Despite weakness in AI shares, the S&P 500 remains positioned for a positive year. All 11 market sectors are still showing gains for 2025, pointing to continued strength beneath recent volatility. Economists believe upcoming employment and inflation data delayed by the shutdown will confirm a slower pace of job growth. This supports the Federal Reserve's recent quarter-point rate cut while signaling limited additional easing ahead. President Trump announced plans to sign an order limiting state-level artificial intelligence regulations. He warned that federal broadband funding could be withheld from states whose AI laws are seen as slowing U.S. technological leadership. The move reflects rising tension between state-led technology regulation and federal efforts to accelerate AI adoption for economic growth and national security purposes. Meanwhile, an interstellar comet passed its closest point to Earth while remaining at a safe distance. Scientists welcomed the rare opportunity to study material originating from another star system. Kansas City Chiefs quarterback Patrick Mahomes is seeking a second medical opinion on a torn ACL before surgery. The injury ends the team's decade-long postseason streak and significantly alters the AFC playoff landscape. The Pittsburgh Steelers stayed on top of the AFC North with a 28-15 victory over the Miami Dolphins. The win strengthened their playoff position late in the regular season. Major League Baseball infielder Ha-Seong Kim agreed to a one-year, $20 million deal to return to the Atlanta Braves. The signing adds infield depth and lineup flexibility for the upcoming season. Film director Rob Reiner and his wife Michelle Reiner were found dead in their Los Angeles home. Police are investigating the case as a suspected homicide led by specialized detectives. Authorities later stated that the couple's son, Nick Reiner, is considered responsible for their deaths. The case has received widespread national media coverage as the investigation continues. Veteran television actor Anthony Geary, known for his role as Luke Spencer on General Hospital, died at age 78. Tributes poured in honoring his lasting influence on daytime television. The FDA issued warning letters for major retail chains for failing to quickly remove by heart infant formula connected to a botulism safety recall. Regulators criticized delays in removing potentially dangerous products. U.S. health officials also expanded approval of a libido-boosting drug for women. The treatment now includes postmenopausal women experiencing distress related to low sexual desire. Public health agencies continue to emphasize food safety and medication oversight, as recalls and expanded treatment options remain key priorities. The past 24 hours in U.S. news were marked by major law enforcement actions, significant market movements, health developments, and notable cultural losses during a period of economic and regulatory change.